Okay, so this one is a decline bench press. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang variation. So isang variation is a barbell decline bench press. Okay, so perform natin siya. So una, bago tayo pumunta sa bench, make sure natin na supported yung ating paa. Okay, so pasok sa support. Ayan. And then make sure nyo na fix na kayo or nakaset na kayo dito sa machine. Then if nakaset na kayo, go down. And then chest out. And then grab the bar. Okay? So sa pagsukat ng bar, make sure na equal yung placement ng hands. Okay. Pag fix na kayo, go push. Yan. And then i-align yung bar sa may lower chest. Okay? Making sure na yung arm is nakaturo pataas. And then slow release, slow down, and then up. Okay, so second variation will be the decline dumbbell bench press. Okay? So same procedure. Pasok kayo sa support. Yan. Then make sure na fix na yung paa nyo sa support. And then patong nyo yung dumbbell sa may tuhod. Okay? And then breathe, chest out, and then kunin yung dumbbell. And then place your dumbbell sa may lower chest and then push pataas. Okay, same procedure. Slow release, control the movement, and then explosive.